Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Content Locker plugins. Now, if you're a content creator or a website owner, you probably already know how essential these tools are for growing your audience and engaging your visitors. But with so many options out there, is there any Content Locker plugin that stands out from the rest? Let's find out. Before we jump into specifics, let's quickly go over what a Content Locker plugin is for those who might be new to the concept. A content locker is a tool that allows you to restrict access to certain content on your website until a visitor performs a specific action, such as sharing the content on social media, subscribing to your newsletter, or even making a purchase. There are numerous content locker plugins available, each offering its own set of features and functionalities. One popular option is Plugin A. It's been around for quite some time and has garnered a large user base. Plugin A offers a range of customization options and integrates smoothly with various platforms, making it a solid choice for many website owners. However, like any tool, Plugin A has its pros and cons. On the positive side, it offers a user-friendly interface, extensive customization options, and excellent customer support. But, on the flip side, some users find it a bit pricey compared to similar plugins, and there have been occasional reports of compatibility issues with certain themes or plugins. So, what about other options? One contender worth exploring is Plugin B. It's relatively newer on the scene but has been gaining traction quickly. Plugin B boasts a sleek design and focuses on simplicity and performance. One of the standout features of Plugin B is its speed. It's optimized for performance, ensuring that your website remains fast and responsive even with the Content Locker enabled. This is crucial for user experience and can positively impact your site's SEO ranking. Plugin B also offers seamless integration with popular email marketing services, allowing you to effortlessly grow your subscriber list. Plus, it provides detailed analytics, giving you insights into how your locked content is performing and how users are interacting with it. Now, let's compare Plugin A and Plugin B side by side. While both offer similar core functionalities, Plugin B edges ahead in terms of speed and performance. On the other hand, Plugin A might be a better choice if you prioritize extensive customization options and have a larger budget. One concern that often comes up with Content Locker plugins is user experience. After all, you don't want to annoy your visitors with intrusive pop-ups. Both Plugin A and Plugin B offer options to customize the appearance and timing of the Content Locker, ensuring it enhances rather than disrupts the user experience. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Are there any free options available? Well, yes, there are. Plugin C is a popular free Content Locker plugin that provides basic functionality without breaking the bank. While Plugin C may not have all the bells and whistles of its paid counterparts, it gets the job done. It allows you to lock content behind a social share or an email subscription, helping you expand your reach and grow your audience. So, to wrap up, there are several Content Locker plugins out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Plugin A is a robust option with extensive customization, Plugin B focuses on speed and performance, and Plugin C offers a free alternative for those on a tight budget. Well, that's all for today, folks. I hope this video helped you gain a better understanding of Content Locker plugins and find the one that best suits your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you next time.